In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2 players in Elden Ring Night Rain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In July of this year, 2025, they have officially added duos to Night Rain. So if you played during release, you might remember that the game shipped without the option to do duos. You were able to play solo, and if you wanted to play with only one other friend, you had to queue up with a random person, which oftentimes was annoying. They would disconnect, you would encounter problems, and so on. But they have finally added duos. So if you go over to the expedition table, switch over to matchmaking settings, you can switch between 1 player, 2 players, and finally 3 players. So choose 2 players from this window here. And once you have 2 players selected, choose the option to invite members. There's no secret to this. If you are playing on PC, the Steam friends list is going to appear and you can invite anyone who is currently in-game or online, and the same thing for consoles, but you will see the respective friends list in there instead. You can potentially use the multiplayer password and the multiplayer options here, but I have personally never used these, so I just recommend going over to the invite members option. Either way, as long as you have it set to 2 players, a 2-player party will be created. You can queue up with someone else, no random will join, and you can play among you and a friend. Sadly, I don't have anyone online to help me demonstrate this at the moment, but this will work for any lord that you can defeat, and all that you have to do is go over to the table and switch over to the matchmaking settings. Ensure that it is on 2-player, invite your friend, be in a party, and enjoy. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.